What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Still cold as heck out here, man. I need to get me a freaking garage heater or something like that, man, because it's like freezing up in this joint, man. But without further ado, man, we got pretty much our last to second to last part that came in for Black Widow. So we're going to throw our crash bar on Black Widow today. Get that thing all situated. We took a ride yesterday, different angle. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Then we're gonna come back. I'll give you guys a sneak peek of my CVO that's to be here like later on today. I'll give you a sneak peek of that. And then you guys let me know what you think. Can't wait till that gets here. But this should be a pretty simple video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Black Widow back here, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, this bike is freaking amazing. Went riding on this joint yesterday. Got a little different angle, so I'll show you guys that. But all in all, really, really fun bike. Can't wait to throw this crash bar on there so we can kick our feet up and just glide in 6th gear, man. So let's get it, though. Just like that. Pretty simple and easy. We got our crash bar on there looking a little bit more complete now. Now we just need our speaker covers. So that's a plus. Meanwhile, we did get another new part, and this part does not fit any bike in our garage. So I guess that only means one thing. This will be like for a street glide. So note that, man. We got a CVO street glide on the way. Can't wait to get that thing in, man. So got this thing all taken care of and pretty much everything we can get done to it. So we're just chilling out today, playing the auction, man. So
no, ahí afuera.
money, what you on? Never do touch a mind. Get up money, baby, got it. Magic move, my niggas ain't stuck. Balance down and now I'm blind above. I'm out of magic and gon' throw me the ball. Want some mud up now. On the way to your city, 2 first class seats. You with your boys. They finger money, what you on? Got some rest and keep it low.
So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. What did you guys think about that view on the ride today, man? That ride was freaking fun. Kind of cut it short because of the angle, but all in all, it was a really fun ride, man. This bike is freaking fast. It feels like super raw. It feels like a CVO twin cam. Like those things out the box feel like legit. So that's what this one feels like now. It just feels raw. Speaking of CVO, man, you guys caught the sneak peek of our 2016 CVO Street Glide, man. So I can't wait to get that thing here in the mail today. It should be here later on tonight, or this evening rather. So let's hoping for the best. Keep our fingers crossed nothing else happens and we get our bike on time and everything. So can't wait to check that out. What did you guys think about the sneak peek? If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Black Widow back there, man, all you gotta do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Can't wait to see where these things is going. Meanwhile, we about to mount these other bikes up and get them ready to ship out. Hopefully this transporter can take one of them or both of them. I don't know. We'll see when he gets here though, man. If you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.